shit. Here we go again.
Barbie burns all day long. You just literally buy your meat. That taste it. Place now and then until the flesh is nice and tender when you pierce it. What I'm going to make for you is my iced cafe latte cups. It's so simple to do, and all you need is a little bit of fresh coffee. Then we can put it. So the whole can is going in, absolutely lovely. I like a stream of that. Gets that lovely froth going that we so associate with those latte drinks. There we are. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Chill them down in that freezer for a couple of hours and wow, something very exciting happens. A quick impression for you. Harry Potter. As my mother would say, enough time for you. The most wonderful chocolate fudge sauce you've ever tasted. Thick chocolate fudgy sauce. Even more than that, a couple of tablespoons of golden syrup. And I much prefer the squeezy variety than those tins where all the top gets sticky and you have to keep wiping it every 5 minutes. All right, about 150 ml of cream. Get your finger in there and really make sure that you get all of that out. Okay, don't be frightened of that.
Cream, get your finger in there and really make sure that you get all of that out. Okay, don't be frightened of that.
That's it. And then all we need to give it that lovely glossy look at the end is just a knob of butter. That'll be fine. That's it. Just pop that in there. Let that come up to almost like a little boil. It's almost like you're simmering, you're melting everything down. And then have, look at that.
Look at that.
Nice dollop there. A scoop of chocolate. Lovely glossy chocolate sauce, chocolate fudge sauce, followed by some crushed nuts, just sprinkled on top like that. How about that? Delicious. For me, all I want to do is go down to the beach, 2 tablespoons of muscovado sugar. Oh, that's a wonderful word to do. That's it, really push that down, turn them over. Make sure you pick up all that flavour all around your meat. Let all that flavour really
penetrate through.
Or indeed, leave it for a couple of hours and then just slap it onto your barbie.
Yeah, boy.
Wow! Oh la la la! Oh, just look at that. Doesn't that look beautiful? Sensational. Let's look at these. Oh, all of that goes inside. That's delightful. Stirring that around there. Oh, look at that. The colour of that and everything. Sensational. In the middle that goes there like that.
I'm a happy man.
Then we just blitz that together. The idea of the soy sauce and the vinegar is not only that it sort of moistens all your other ingredients, but it tenderises the meat. That's the most important thing. That's beautiful. You pick up your palette knife and then work that into your meat. Give your meat a good old rub. That's it. Nice and hot. Hot and spicy meat. Yeah, boy. That's it. And turn it over. Don't be frightened to turn that over and really get into those cuts. You know those cuts that you made in the chicken? Work that marinade right down to the bone. That's it. Jerk chicken.